Welcome back to the channel. I'm back fishing with Harris again, and again I've been out fished. It's been a really tough day. We've fished some great looking areas and covered a lot of water with dead baits and with lures, and it took until the last 10 minutes. Harris finally got one.
It was an alright one. I mean, a wee jack.
Any fish is a good fish. Any fish is a good fish.
When we're desperate like that as well.
Aye. We've put in some amount of effort today, but sometimes that's how it goes. The fish just aren't in the mood.
This is Harris's local loch, so we started fishing in the wee bay where he's had the most luck previously. He recently got some amazing footage of a pike smashing a duckling lure off the surface here. I'll put a link to that video on the screen at the end of this one. We fished right round this bay and up the whole length of the loch with lures and dead baits. We'd fished loads of great looking spots. We'd done some more exploring and eventually we found this incredible area. Deep drop offs, lots of reeds and lily pads. Perfect spots for pike to be lurking. We soon spotted the first pike, but it was almost smaller than our lures. We covered this whole area with our lures, and we kept trying different dead baits too, in different spots. We'd already covered this area here with our lures, but Harris tried his bait over there. He had a roach on suspended under a float.
We've finally got a run. Well, Harris has got a run.
By the time he got to his rod, the float had stopped moving, and we thought we'd missed the chance. But luckily, it came back.
Aye. He's got it. I just grabbed the net. Oh!
Just came off.
Came off in the net. Perfect.
Yes!
Oh, look at the scars on it. A big one must have grabbed it when it was younger. Well, he's beat me again.
We only had about 10 minutes of fishing left when he got that fish. After all the effort, it was great to end on a high. Thanks for watching, and remember to check out this video on the screen from Harris's channel. The footage that he captured is really amazing. Thanks again, and I'll see you all again soon. Cheers.